Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root of s divided by the square root of s. Number 1 divided by the square root of s. You will get about 1 minus s to the power of negative 1 over 2. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So we have u equals to ln s du. You got ds over s dv. We need to do this integration in here. The integration of number 1, you got about s. The integration of this one, you will get about s to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. And this one, you will get about 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. So we have u multiplied by v multiplied by ln s minus du multiplied by v, and we will get about the integration of s minus s to the power of 1 over 2 over s, and we have ds in here. So we have 1 over 2. We put number 2 in here. So s divided by s, you got about 1. This one divided by s, you will get about s to the power of negative 1 over 2. So the integration of this one, we will have s plus, because negative with negative, you got about positive. Negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put about c, that's about the constant. So this is about 1 over 2. This is about 1 over 2. Number 2 with 1 over 2, you got about 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.